In today's video, we'll see about how to tune a pre-trained models. You'll be surprised to see it requires only one step to do it. Let's start with a small pre-trained model called Distilbert using IMDb dataset. I'm taking a small amount to train and test so that it won't take long to train for this video. You can have it with different pair of data and model. After installing and importing required packages, have folder to required fields so that the results will be stored. In general, following the default steps to train the model using pre-trained tokenizer to predict every input. Now, let's see how to fine-tune the model. If you're using any pre-trained model that didn't perform well, here's a solution. I'm using a trainer function to do the fine-tuning task. We can just add padding or truncate or even the size of input examples to tune your model. You can see in the below results of final trained functions. If you're using open source pre-trained model from Hugging Face, have API key from 1B. By signing in, you can generate your own set of API keys and tokens. I've trained this for only one epoch, just for the feasibility of the video, and you can just have your own set of epochs and training iterations. Trainer is one function where we can just directly have the fine tuning for your own set of data, or even if you're using a pre-trained model, we can just directly fine tune it with the help of increasing any data set or input from your own, or you can just increase the padding size and maximizing your training iterations from it. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.